In general, the exponential form of equation is b to the y equals x, and the logarithmic form of the same equation is log base b of x equals y. We want to be able to convert between the two different forms. So here we have an exponential equation, 1/2 to the 3 equals 1/8. Let's identify what the b is, the y, and the x. The b, the base, is 1/2. The exponent, the y, is 3, and the x is 1/8. So, the log form is log to the base b is 1/2, of x, which is 1/8, equals the exponent y, which is 3. So here we go the other way. What's the base? B, that's just 10. The argument of the logarithm is x. And the thing the log is equal to is the exponent, y. So, rewriting this log form in exponential form, we have the base, which is 10, to the power y, which is 4, equals the argument of the log, which is 10,000. Here we have an exponential form, trying to figure out the log form. Identify the base, b, the exponent, y, and x. Log base b, which is 3, of x, which is 81, equals the exponent, 4. The logarithm always equals the exponent. This 2 is the b, the argument is x, and the thing the log is equal to is the exponent, y. Just matching up with this equation here. So the base, 2 to the power y, which is negative 6, equals x, 1/64. Again, just matching everything up with this side for exponential form. Here's some properties of logarithms that come directly from the definition. Log base b of b equals 1. Why? This is the exponent on b that gives b. What is the exponent on b that gives b? Well, that's 1. So that's why log base anything of that anything equals 1. Log base b of 1 equals 0. Why? What is the exponent on b that gives 1? B to the 0 equals 1. So the log base b of 1 equals 0. So log base b of b to the x. What's the exponent on b that gives b to the x? That's going to be x. So the log base b of b to the x equals x for any b and for any x. B to the log base b of x is equal to x. Why? Log base b of x is the exponent on b that gives x. So if I put the log base b of x here, I should get x. This is the exponent on b that gives x. Let's use these properties to evaluate the following. What's the log base 2 of 1? What is the exponent on 2 that gives 1? That's going to be 0. Because 2 to the 0 equals 1. What's the log base 3 of 3 to the 5th power? What's the exponent on 3 that gives 3 to the 5th? That's 5.